Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Sam. First, you want to click on... Wait, I gotta turn it off. Alright. First, you want to click on AFK mode. And then, that's for if you don't want to go on another game while doing the obby. And this is basically what you look like. It'll look like that. And let's get to the obby. You can just skip this part. Just gonna turn on AFK just in case. Okay, now that you're at this part, you just want to jump behind it, just like that. And then you should go to this place. Well, in the footage I just go the wrong way. But you want to go towards the place with only one head. And then, I'll also go the wrong way once I get there. I'm gonna skip that too. And then you'll see a Sam poster like this. Then you do not want to go this way. So once you're at it, you just want to go this way. And just keep on going forward until you see a hole. Once you see the hole, you want to go into the abyss. I thought this was the way since it was glowing, but it wasn't. Sam is down here. And you will be able to tell once you see that. You want to just go towards it. Sam should be on the ground sleeping right there. You can't, I'm pretty sure you cannot die during any of this. Except for the obby, technically. Your face is familiar. I can't pinpoint it, but you are familiar. Regardless, how did you find your way down here? I just was making a tutorial. Interesting. Okay, now you have unlocked Sam. And then here's what people kind of get confused on is this was a glitch, but why is my skin like that? But you want to just leave the game, but so you want to just go back into the game. And then after that, it should be there. And with that, the tutorial is over. I hope this made it easier than it was for me.